Pop the balloon, I find love. Pop the balloon, I find love.
We make them know. We are gonna make them know. We are gonna show them up. Pull up on them ends and the rifle shot and board them up. Sew them up. Fold them up. Yo! YouTube, what go on? If you don't say a Dirty Boy Lee, I'm there with the first YouTube video. I know when I say, yo, dog, why you look so rough? Why you look so tough? Bro, tell you the truth, about 3 years now, me not trim. Tell you the honest truth. About 3 years now, me not trim. Because my baba live in Kingston, I'm gonna live in Kingston no more. Yeah, basically. So we rough out here, we wild out here. Yeah. And today, what the fuck? Why the fuck want to have bread? Alright, as I said now, very first YouTube video. This is the Dirty Boy Lee YouTube channel, bro. And just expect what if a madness, what if a badness, what if a craziness, what if a toe sucking. That was a joke. That was a joke, bro. That was a joke, dog. But anyways, we probably watch the Pop the Balloon already with Rolly and for YouTube. If you don't watch it, in the description, you know, see the full video. Well, the full video down there in the description. The link to the full video there in the description. Yeah. That must say. Yeah. Anyways, well, we can go through it today. Feel like, let's go through it, man. We feel like we go through it today. We'll go through the little video today and tell you how the process will go. But we just want to introduce the channel so we can know what's going on over here. So, let me just introduce myself. Fuck it. What's up, peeps? My name is Dirty Boy Lee, aka Freezer. That's F-R-I-E-Z-A-H. See that on the screen. Freezer, the girl pleaser, the world leader. Me that. The baddest of the baddest. Me that. The most lyrical genius. Me that. The funniest person you may know. No, I don't like funny. But not funny. The most humorous person you probably know. You probably know me from school. You probably know me from work. You probably know me from this video.
Hey, we just pay the water bill.
If you don't know me from that video, you must know me from this video.
The balloon. Why?
Alright, I'm gonna keep the balloon because yeah, I mean they like both of them. Yes. I am a content creator and I do advertisements. Know that already, because when I see me up on TV, you probably hear me up on radio and they even know say I mean when you hear me on radio. But I them kind of work them I do. I'm still do 95 on the side cause it rough out here. It really rough out here. Really rough. About 25 years now, me I try build one house. That's why I have to do 95 same way. Cause every money when I get from the big company, them are rare, that I go towards the big house where I build somewhere. I don't think much by it build. To be honest, too long when I start, we don't touch this. So, anyways, but we still do 95 on them thing there. Still, for now. Yeah, so I'm just start going to introduction. Dirty Boy Lee, we go by Dirty Boy Lee. That's my alter ego. So I say yeah, alter. No, our Freezer the alter ego and Dirty Boy Lee I do. I don't know. Cause Dirty Boy Lee and Freezer are two different persons same way. No, Freezer the artist, Dirty Boy Lee are the gimmicks man. We do a bag of fuckery. And Freezer more serious. Alright. I can differentiate people and I can know where people know me from. You see people who call me Freezer, they know me in the artist life. Them people, either them are gunman, them are some bad people, them do scamming, and them type of people they know me as Freezer. People who know me as Dirty Boy Lee are just people who follow up on Instagram or on TikTok. Yeah, who don't know me as a comedic person, the funny boy, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, I don't care. whatever you want to call me. You can call me anything but that E that word. Oh yeah, you can call me that E that word. Yeah, that no matter. That no. Yeah. 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 Well, the introduction. Yeah, introduction. Believe the introduction done. We'll probably get a quick rundown of what I am or what I is. But either way, yeah, that's me. Yeah. Anyways, let's get to the thing we want to actually talk about. What balloon there over there? Alright, I have a balloon and I have a pop it for say yo dramatic effect and all anything there. But I lost the balloon. So fuck that. As I say now, yeah, when you see me come pop the balloon, yeah, come here look for love. No, I'm not look for love. I just have fuck around everybody. Just bro, I did that as a trolling thing, bro. I just like a troll. Bro, I always watch Rolly Rolly what? Wait name. Rolly YouTube video them. The pop the balloon them. I mean I was say yo, some girl come on this and them not look good, some man come on this and them I never even know them kind them just roll out and go forward. I just want to come show some people like in a real life. But they just want to show some people we don't want to show some people. Some deal with some people are weird. We can't go through it now. I'm pull it up on the balance on me. I don't know what this is by the way. You don't know. This is probably what is iPhone 8. No, this is I don't know what this, but it is something. Let's well, I have to look for the video on YouTube right now, so we can go through quick. I even want this to be a long video by the way.
Stand out the most was probably his authenticity. He didn't try to fake out.
Who the fuck is that? What? Yeah. But you tell me some artists? Yeah man, go check out the Vivo Freezer. That's FRIEZAH VEVO. That's Vivo. As I say now, TikTok, Dirty Boy Lee. Instagram, Dirty Boy Lee. OnlyFans, Dirty Boy Lee. But if you know a search for me, just check the description field. Okay? I'll be doing that OnlyFans for real, bro. For real. Real life shit. You have to get paper. Anywhere the money there, I'm a hustler. Anywhere the money there, I am a hustler, bro. I am. Anyway, may I search for you now? I'm gonna put on YouTube.
1 hour later.
What the boy J for Japan next video? I have to watch this. Alright, hold on. Before. Shut up, no roll it, dog. Yeah, shut the fuck up. As I mentioned that, yo, before we even get into that, dog, to tell you the truth, dog, you see, like, I want to watch it on YouTube. That's not how it is in a real life, bro. That's not it, bro. It is something different, bro. It is totally different. Yo, when me I watch Rolling pop the balloon or find out, to me, it look like a one take. It look like it just go through one time. One time, bro. You know, it. Many would expect. Put it on keep it. Red letter, yellow letter, red letter, yellow letter, red letter. Alright, I can't speak properly. I don't know what's wrong with me. As well, I say no. When me I watch it on YouTube, me I say, yo, this like it's a one take, you know, like it's a one go. You would have never believe, say, the man chat about one scene.
5 times. The man shot one scene, 3, 5 times, bro. Just to get it perfect.
No, I'm not talking about the ads them. I'm not talking about look at ads them when you do and I'm talking about.
Bad Morals Beauty Supply, Rogue Automotive, Red.
I'm not talking about them thing there. Them thing there's advertisement, and advertisement you have to do that properly. So if you do the one take and the one take not take good, you have to take it over. So that's a two take, and if the two take not take good, you have to take it over. And if the three take not take good, you have to take it over. And the four take not yeah, I understand all that, bro. Cause we have more on a podcast, bro. That's the Weekenders podcast. Go on go subscribe. Go on go subscribe. The link they down here so. Down here so. Voila, I'm gonna go check. Alright, it's still there. Voila, what? Yeah, it did it. It did it. It did it. I'm pretty sure it did it. As for me, I say, I understand all them things that go. How the ad spark go. That is
Fine, that is fine, bro. You have to take that about 5-15 million times, whatever. We want a perfect. But we need to expect the people in the lineup. You don't have to, like, you would have asked you or something, and it's like if that not funny enough, it's like say if you don't give a funny response, it's like, yo, live boss, cut, charge a bounty, people look something, and stay and let's go again. Alright, so what's your name, IG? What's your name? Ray. And why you pop? How much you sure? Cut. Bro, me not like that. This up the girl now. I want to hear that. Bro, me don't want this up the girl no dog, cause the girl look good. Brother, I'm not give a fuck about that. Ray. Alright, that joke me I make. I know so him going in real life, but you would never expect say, yo, they would take it for 5 hours. That's crazy. Would take it? Man, I like that sound. Would take it? That's what me I said, dog. You would expect say the man would have do one clippings about 5 times, 3 times, 5 times. Ray. You see me I said, dog? The dog literally walk out and say, it's over. About 5 times. I swear, bro, I swear. You man literally do that about 5 times, bro. And I'm like, nigga, first thing first. Malik crank up say, alright. I'm going from top. To the flat. Here we go. But if you dip on one long before this. That kind of shape. Me make that on the pass. That kind of shape is still. Why? But as I said, me if go on the balloon before this in a Kingston. And crank up shout me and say, yo, rare. I'ma say, rare. And him say, rare. And he tell me the time and date and rare. He said 3 o'clock. I say, fine, 3 o'clock. I don't live in a Kingston anymore. But I do frequently visit Kingston if I not get my drift. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull up a Kingston now. Overtime. The man to me the location. Location I have to find. You see me I say? Me dey late. Like when I say late, I'm late. Bad. When I watch. I lost it. As I say, I'm late. Bad, bro. Me tell you, I'm gonna stay so we pull up in a Kingston. Alright, the reason why I even reach late, I never that pressure, bro. I literally reach in a Kingston, bro, after 5, bro. To tell you the truth. After 5, I reach in a Kingston, bro. To tell you the honest truth, bro. Honest truth. Can't probably never know what is that. Cause I think some never forward. But the first time I go, after 5, bro, I reach. And dog tell me the studio which way I go. Fine. I'm gonna stay so boom now. I'm gonna pull up. The reason why I even reach so late too, because I'm chat to one girl where they did on it before. And she's like,
yeah, you can go, but the last time me go, at 3 o'clock him say, and then we start like after 5, very.
So me I say, if we reach 5 o'clock it now, we don't call Jamaican time and real life time at 2 different time. At 4 this or 2. Yeah, this are 2. 2, yeah. So Jamaican time and real life time are 2 different times. So somebody might say 10 o'clock, party start 10 o'clock, bro. The party I start bro, after 3. Best believe, bro. If them say starting time 10 o'clock at 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. the party start. 10 p.m. at 3 a.m. the party start. Guarantee you, bro. So when the man say, for 3 o'clock, I'm gonna pull up bro, after 5, bro. Bro, so I reach in a Kingston down, I couldn't find the place. Me, I'm gonna come from Kingston, brother. 1 o'clock, I couldn't find the place. So when I reach the place, bro, about after 6 you know. When I reach now, I see some people out the door. I don't know what, I don't remember. About 3 people I see out the door. And I look at them that go away. Yeah, some people they not work clothes. And they must say, yo, you know, should I pop balloon thing I go on? And they must say, you know, them start film already. I say, for real, bro? For real? And they must say, yeah, dog. And I say, fuck it. And I say, I'm gonna get up out of here. Bro. Cause many everybody want go in there. Cause what am I gonna do? If the lineup done there already, and everybody done there already, what am I gonna do? Squeeze in the video? I'm pretty sure when you now watch the video, I'm gonna say, I'm better than anybody there before. Come on, that weird. So me I say, yo,
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm a cut. You get me? So I just cut, bro. But my name tell him somebody forward, and that I should do. So when the second one come around now, I'ma say, yo, I'm active, you know, bro. The dog on the phone, I say, yo, yeah, this being a dog. Bumbuckler. You could even tell me say you could forward. I tell the dog, say, yeah, I'm the forward, I'm the late. Man, I say, it's a fucking lie. Why is a fucking lie after 7 we start filming, you know? And I say, bro, John would have, I'm not leaving one thing again, bro. Ray. Bumbuckler, you too fucking lie. I'm not make you part on the show. And me I say, fuck, I'm not go on the show. And me I say, yo, admit defeat, bro. Admit defeat. Bro, the only reason I'm doing out on the show is just for, I don't for gain popularity. No. I for just expand my brand. Bro, I'm just going to bust as an artist, dog. That's it. Any day I'm bust as an artist, I'm done with this YouTube. I love YouTube. I love you. Yeah, I love YouTube. I also don't want to do it because I'm not really a person. Fuck. Why am I telling that? I'm not really a people person. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I'm not really a people person. But I can be a people person if you want me to. I just need to take some and into that shit. I'm probably good and I'm good. Like right now, I'm there up so. So it kind of hard for my feet, bro. So my mind I race fast right now, bro. We don't know when me just take. Why? Why me I say about a fish thing dog? That's just when me just take. This nigga gay as fuck, bro. As I said, dog. Eventually 2 days or 1 day before the appointed time, the dog tell me the location and time. I say, alright, cool. Bumbuckler, me have studio the same day. Bro. So in my mind, I say, yo, if at 3 o'clock, doctor me say 3 o'clock. So I say, alright, I go up and pop the ball at 3 o'clock. And then after that, probably done about 7 o'clock, so we can pull up at the studio. I will just hold a night vibes. Bumbuckler, me there at the studio, me there, you know studio? Yeah, the studio, but I know the studio, me there for the photo shoot studio. Yeah, that's studio there. So me there, me still left on the pop the balloon, bro. And I said, fuck it, dog. 7 o'clock, bro. Bro, matter of fact, we pull up 5. After 5, we pull up. I mean, an unknown pull up. That's a dog what you see in a video. Hold on, you remember me? As I said, we pull up after 5. That's me and my brother. That's me and my dog, my G. That's an unknown. Casimiro. He did 1, 2, 3. He the third brother in the lineup. In a black, full black. That's my brother. So I stay saying, yo, me and the dog pull up, bro. When you look, we see some people are going. I'm gonna say, yo, this shit look like it cancelled in a dog. We get frustrated. Yeah, very frustrated. We got very frustrated. Yes. We pull up. I'm gonna say 2 people come out, 1 girl and a man. I'm gonna say, cut them a cut. Oh, father, wrong time, G. So I'm gonna say, alright, well, we'll go over there and see what I want. We'll go over there and see crank up. I go on normal out with a couple dogs, very. My forward in, I will say Envision. That's the artist where they stand up beside of me in the lineup. In there in the white. I ain't sing the song. I know no more, I don't know, tell you honest truth, I don't know no more of the song besides a party. I don't know no more song for you. As I say now, I see the dog they pull up. When it turns out, my dog and him are dogs. So the dog pull up and stop on his foot and say, yo, I'm killer. I don't know what none of that mean, but I know I just did a normal out town station. Oh, it's a normal out. Real gangster shit, no dog. Oh, it's a normal out dog. And we did a good while turn up dog. Why? But we did a good while turn up and we fuck them. That's what we say. I was still say, yeah, did a go on normal out, brother. We see Trickster That are the girl who me give 5 and
Alright, watch your style, yeah. This was part 1. We have to look out for part 2. It had dropped in a few. So, subscribe for join the crew. Book like my artist.
Soulless Production.